Welcome back. We've got a storm moving from northern New Mexico, now sliding in across south central sections of Los Angeles County. That is right near Kim and Branson. But of course, this is going to probably continue to traverse right along that county, that border between New Mexico and Colorado. Otherwise, we're looking at mostly clear skies across the eastern plains. Isolated thunderstorms are now starting to fire up along that boundary, that dry line that is stationed here just north of Grenada and Holly. That boundary actually extends back across parts of Lamar. You can see where it's kind of an invisible boundary, of course, but goes all the way down across Highway 287, and that's going to be the focal point for a few showers and storms to develop here over the next hour to 2 hours. Areas across Canyon City, storm moving in right across areas along Highway 50. That is just west of Canyon City right now, but look at the slow-moving nature of some of these storms. They're billowing up very quickly and then also collapsing very quickly. So we don't expect a washout for this afternoon or this evening. Most of our storms should stay fairly isolated. And notice the storm firing up on the north side of Pikes Peak, just around Woodland Park right now, and that's really where these storms are going to favor, is right around higher terrain locations. So we'll be watching very carefully some of the storms as they move out across the plains or northern sections of El Paso County over the next couple of hours. Fowler, Otero County, those locations are looking quiet right now. It's a beautiful bluebird day across Fowler and Rocky Ford. Notice right now the temperatures are toasty in the upper 90s to low 100s all across I-25 in the eastern plains. We've got some gusty winds here or there across especially the Palmer Divide east of Elbert, northern sections of Lincoln County, about a 26 to 30 mile an hour gust. Some of these storms, as they collapse and fall apart, they'll release some gusty winds, and that will be happening just after sunset as these storms start to slowly dissipate after 9 p.m. Flash flood watch in place across the central mountains, areas back into I-70. Again, most of these storms will be moving from the southwest to the northeast as they develop. What I want to show you is 5 to 6 p.m. Still the likelihood of storms with the heaviest of rain moving up towards western Douglas County, and then a storm moving out of Pueblo West after 7 p.m. and right around 9 p.m. in the downtown area of Colorado Springs, we do have a chance for storms between 9 and 10 p.m. And then storms will continue to slowly dissipate after 10 p.m. We'll be under those partly clear skies overnight tonight. Waking up with some partly sunny skies tomorrow morning. So, of course, tonight, July 4th forecast for Colorado Springs. Temperatures will be nice and now pleasant, 60s and 70s. But the chance for storms is in the forecast between 9 to 10 p.m. Not a washout, but just need to be prepared for maybe a few little delays because of the lightning possibility in Colorado Springs this evening. Tuesday afternoon, our storms will become more widespread, and they're also going to develop a lot quicker, especially after 2 p.m., moving right along the I-25 corridor in the foothills, pushing from the south to the north. So tomorrow between 2 and 8 p.m., our storms are going to be a bit more widespread. So there is a higher probability for most locations to see widespread precipitation. Tomorrow, temperatures are still near 100 degrees for the southeastern plains. Going to be a toasty afternoon. Woodland Park, steady highs in the 70s as we move through the latter portion of the work week. We do start to slowly dry things out. About a 40 to 50% chance of storms after 2 p.m. for Pueblo. I do think we'll have some measurable precipitation in Pueblo and Pueblo West. And overnight lows, of course, in Canyon City into the 50s and 60s. Colorado Springs, get up, get after it tomorrow. Chance of storms pretty quickly after 2 p.m. on Tuesday. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
Without Culligan filtration products,